My face looks horrid. I look greasy. I am greasy. I don't look greasy. I am greasy. I got home from work about 2 or 3 hours ago and I just need to start recording me crocheting again. I have 2 projects on the go at the moment. I've not been recording them. I have a green scarf because it's cold and I want a green scarf, so I'm crocheting one, and then a star blanket, a brown and beige star blanket. I think I'm gonna try and record me finishing them potentially. I don't really know, so it's just gonna be a medley of all different things. I have my basket of yarn screaming at me because there are multiple things that I want to do with the basket of yarn. But yeah, it's currently the 26th of December. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not the 26th of December. It's the 26th of November. We'll see. I got another pair of reading glasses. These ones are gold and they kind of fit my face. They have a very round face and very big boogie eyes. Kind of cute. So then hopefully I won't get as many headaches when I'm crocheting and reading because I can't see properly. Got the Dandadan poster. But yeah, I'm gonna whack on my headphones. I also can't find my little microphone, so I'm sorry for the audio, but I'm gonna pop on my headphones, prop you up on my desk, and crochet for a bit. I'm gonna see what it looks like with the light off. 1 sec. That's better. I'm also gonna put my fairy lights on. Look how cute. Anyway, nice. Okay, this is what the scarf's looking like so far. Green, chunky yarn. It's the yarn I got from Aldi. I used a size 6. I feel like I should have used a bigger size hook. I don't have a bigger sized hook, so it's kind of stiff though, so I'm hoping it, once I've blocked it, it'll be fine. It's only going to be about this big, but yeah. I've used 1 ball already. I'm pretty sure I got about 7, so I should have enough. I'm kind of bored of doing it. So I don't know what else to do. I really want to use this for something, but I don't know what. Probably mittens, but I kind of want to make a jumper, but then I won't really wear a grey jumper. I like browns and beiges. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to continue with that. Okay, update. Just finished the 2nd ball of yarn and this is how she's looking. This is how she's looking. She's still rather stiff, so I'm really hoping that blocking her is gonna make it better. But yeah, she's looking good. Really stiff. I think I might do one more layer, maybe. So it'll be this thick, and then I'm done. Kind of wish I would have made it longer, but again, when I block it, it'll become longer. So fingers crossed, that'll be all good. And then, I believe I've had to get out my other, just 3 more. So I had 6 altogether. I thought I had 7, unless it's in my other bag of yarn. I thought I'd kept them all together. But anyway, I kind of like the length of this. Like, not the length, sorry, the width instead of this. It doesn't take long to do rows, so I'll do another row, and if I don't like it, I'll look like Harry Potter, but if you were Slytherin instead. But yeah, I think I might do some matching mittens. I think that'd be really cute. Yeah, It's only taken like 2 hours altogether, so maybe 2.5. Yeah, 2 hours continuous altogether. So really easy, really quick and really easy. Yeah.
Oh, you should teach at my school.
And you should work in my coal mine.
Ignore my eyes and my face. I've just watched The Greatest Showman again. Where's my scarf? I finished the scarf. I just need to block it. I did the tassels. I'm gonna go block it now. Okay, hello my lovely little dumplings. I don't even know if you can see me properly. I've just figured out, actually, wait. I turned the lamp on. This is completely something I've just found. It has nothing to do with the video, although technically it does. I've just found out that the US have different, I know that they have different names for everything, but they also have different sizing measurements for their hooks. I don't know. I was watching a video about this scarf that I want to make, and it was like, use a 6.5 hook. I was like, that looks so small for a 6.5 hook. And then I asked ChatGPT, and it's like, yeah, they have different sizing. So, so I've had this channel for about a year and a half, 2 years, something like that. And every time I've tried to do amigurumi, pretty much every time I've made something and I've had to size down myself because I've tried using the hook that a video or pattern suggests, and it turns out really big and really spacey. Yeah, turns out that's my fault. It makes so much sense. The first amigurumi plushie that I tried to make was a Frankenstein, and he turned out huge and he had loads of gaping holes, and it's because I was using the wrong hook size, because I was using an American pattern. Everything makes so much more sense now. There are so many videos that I've made where I've been like, I don't know why I've had to size down so much, or like, I don't know why it's turned out bigger than it should be, and it's because I've been using the wrong hook size. So yeah, no clue. But a UK size 3.5 is US size 6.5. Crazy. Anyway. Okay, so I don't know what the last thing I recorded was, but I finished the green scarf. I did it way too short, but it was really quick to make, so I'm gonna make another scarf with a similar, or is it the same pattern, but just a smaller hook. I think the last thing I recorded was me finding out that US and UK have different hook sizes. But yeah, I found this scarf, this one. I'll pop a little photo up anyway. I don't know if I have all the colours, so we're gonna go through my yarn stash and hopefully I have same if not similar colours. I currently have 3 places where all my yarn is, 2 big bags and then a basket. I don't know which one to start with. We'll do this one first. This is basically, majority of this, if not all of this, is from my Aldi haul thing that I did. Yeah, when I had the Aldi event thing, I put most of my yarn in here, so I'm pretty sure there's no colours in here that I can use apart from this one. So it is a bit bright, but we'll see how it turns out. And I've got a very strong feeling that this scarf is going to be a mixture of acrylic and cotton yarn, because there's a navy in here and also a green that I have the perfect colours of, but they're in cotton yarn, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So one, I guess. Also the green, I guess you can use the green from this one as well. We have the lighter green attached to other things because I want it there. Okay, wait. So we have this paler green, and then we also have, where is it? Oh wait, we have quite a few in here. Is there grey? There's no grey. I found this yellow. This one's a lot more muted. This is the cotton yarn, so I'm going to use this because the colour's better, but obviously it's a thinner yarn, so we'll see how that works out. Okay, we have this yellow cotton, this green acrylic. I'm hoping they'll work fine together. I'm not going to use this one anymore because it's too bright. With this colour, yeah, we have this red. These are what we're going to use for my Gryffindor scarves, like my Hogwarts house bookmark scarf things, but now we're using it for this, I guess. We'll see if we can find, the same colours but in acrylic, but like I said, I'm not too confident I'll be able to find that. Ugh. Okay, so this next bag is the big bag with all of my non-main yarns in. This is from the little box at the side of my bed with all the yarn in that I want to use, like what I want to use next, if that makes any sense at all. My new, yeah, you know, This is a green that I'm going to use anyway. So far we have these ones. Obviously I'll need more of that red, which is why I'm hoping that there'll be an acrylic burgundy in this one. Just knocked the camera getting this big bag. Sorry if the angle's changed, but this is the big bag. And then I actually lied, I have 4 places where I have yarn. I've got another small bag filled with scrap yarn, but I'll have a look in that because I'm pretty sure I've got a burnt orange in that, unless it's in here. And then that, like the perfect burnt orange. Go down the colour lines. That was the star bag I made that was the jumper I started to make, and then just stop. I thought it smelled like loft. So this colour here is perfect for what I need for this scarf, so I'm going to see if I can find where that's from. I forgot I had that. Dark brown. Where's that purple? It's purple. I thought it was dark brown. It's also dark brown. What's this one? Grey? We don't need grey. Aha! Burnt red. We'll use this one instead of that one. Don't want to use too much cotton yarn. It's just a bunch of pinks. Ooh, navy blue. I forgot I had half of these colours. Navy blue. And put some purple in there. We'll keep the purple to the side, potentially use some of that. Is that green the same as all the other greens? Some of my yarn is wet. I don't know why. We have this brown. Chuck that in, why not? What is it? Blue. We have this blue, so I'm going to keep this out because I don't have any of that in an acrylic, and that'll go nice. It's a good thing about cotton yarn is it snaps easier than acrylic. I can't be bothered to go and get my scissors. Put purple in there. Looks burnt orange. It looks a lot brighter on camera, but it's a lot more burnt in real life. I've said we're going to go down the cute list thing and we just haven't. Dark brown. Right. So light brown because I can't find any of that colour. I can't find any. It should be in here. It's like the bag's condensed. Not condensed, like it's got condensation. Anyway. It's not in there either. Okay, well, this one. And then we've got like more of a brown, light brown. Any in here? I'll have to do without the light brown. Oh, okay. I've got this one. I'll do something with this. Use a bit of scrap yarn. So we've got this one, then this one, and then it goes to, it kind of looks like a purple, like a dark purple. It kind of jumps. I needed like a medium brown. I don't have a medium brown. So we'll go purple then brown. Sure, why not? Then it goes to a darker green. Then it goes to, that brown kind of needs to go there. Light brown, mustard colour. Then it goes to a light blue. Then it goes to like a white blue. Like a really light blue. I suppose I could do grey. Should I do grey? Why is it wet? This is wet as well, look. God. Look at the condensation. I don't really want grey in the scarf though. But we're sticking to the pattern. Grey, light green, red, dark blue, burnt orange, and then green something. Right. These are all the colours we're going with. First half, second half, end. I'm pretty sure I don't want to put any other colours in there. This is going to get so confusing. Like really confusing. But you know what? It's fine. I am going to go check to see if... I'm going to go check to see if I have any scrap yarn that I want to use as well. But yeah, I'll update you. It's literally one row of each one and it's half double crochets. And this time I'm going to measure the scarf. But yeah, and also use a smaller hook. But yeah, let's make my dream scarf, I guess. Okay, quick update whilst I have this light on. The scarf that I'm doing, I'm not following a pattern or anything like the Pinterest scarf that I'm copying. I'm just using the colour scheme. Benji didn't like the fact I was talking to the camera. So I'm making up the pattern and I started doing half double crochet scarf like the green one that I did, like just a standard scarf anyway. And in the photo, the lines look varied. So the lines, I do actually know how to crochet, believe it or not, I'm just wheel about it speaking. Each row seems to be a different size, or pretty much like every other row basically. So I think they've done some half double crochet rows and some single crochet rows. So I did my starter row and then I did a row of half double crochet, and after this one I'm going to do a couple rows of single crochets. I'm going to do some single crochet rows and hope that looks good. But yeah, I think there's only like 3 or 4 rows that are half double crochet and then the rest of them are single. So yeah, but like I said, completely making it up, kind of. I'm kind of like just looking at the photo for reference and then seeing which one's a thinner row and which one's a thicker row. And also I've done it really long, like it's really long, because I'd rather it be way too long than too short, because I can wrap it around my head quite a couple of times. So yeah, she's back. Hey, come in, come on. But yeah, I thought I'd update you. It's taken a lot longer than I thought it would. Yeah, a lot longer. But it's going to be worth it, hopefully. I also don't have all the colours that the original scarf does. Yeah.
Come on then.
She's here.
The girl.
She's so pretty.
Come on then.
Okay, I'm going to get back to Taugnanti now.
Bye.